Now, one thing that we've seen, especially from last year into this year, in fact, you see how by a calendar, so as far as Ghana's entertainment, both in Ghana, we Ghana free where another country are very busy, London, where we've seen so many shows, not only the Shatta first announcement, but announcement. So, but what is your take on so many shows as you see ever London?
On say ewiase no mpanimfo se bibia e wo nemre osenkafo na kan ukọ Bible ma bibia wo nemre na ya me pesa mekanie nia edi kan no e wo se Ghana fo nyina e de aseda e ma shattawale uni ma de krontia ade asema me kan o e mo dupa anti nyanto wase kakra ma me
too.
On say me generalizing, no, but most of the traditional platforms, no, we have power from years back, no. Unim say omo influence. I can't broach for you now say them.
Wow.
Sure. Media ya idea one say ya obekasa go no moody, but sansem no more cano. Senior, a Juma Asian home, a transwo, tienye, Monsieur Eden,
Transwo,
a transwo. Now, I am one wallet when they say, a told me to me, some say, Eden, a wallet to me, a Jimmy who said there be. I did young for you Ghana radio stations, any TV stations, and so I came. A benya effect. I was said Ghana for more control. One talk on na all kono. One she abakasa na bia oko Emma Ghana for debut. Now, ebe yes say traditional media no bibi say Ghana for say be wa control mu kura jirim say oko upie kura ko Ghana ni show a ase onim de diska ye ase wo hu de me no ono te Ghana no na obanu masem bro, I'm telling you, no control masses no in abrochiri.
Wow.
And the more no more tarnishing the image of your musicians no ho kra nya kono
wa bonten ho.
So what the Kimpaluta kwatna platform bi so obuma and what you say and what disrespectful and what you say ya. Why didn't you say be out Ghana radio stations bisu na eka, what Ghana internet bisu na eka. But unim say, San no man awo ye ne be influence obi wa brochire, and uti Kimpaluta ba. First thing about man is oh jai, Kimpaluta ko Ghana so muadie. Yes he say. Enti wale who said Debbie oh, Debbie. Sama Ghana for any more mohoswa ye brag. And until na wale say odi ono hia show na mom no odi yanyini nyum ni ntum e wo Ghana yanyini ntum e wo Ghana wo wie na brabo se nipa 1 million wale yanyum na nipa 1 million Ghana for 1 million wale hia obia from Germany America hia obia odi oyanyuma on turn £1 Ghana for 1 million ento onya 1 million onya 1 million pounds
E brokra
o hia obi Germany
yeah. We
oh yeah, South Korea musician bi nyumda. Ro now no dia ye nyane Ghana for ye wa control no ye hide
wanyane
ye nyane enu ti na o hwe ya sa akode another smart musician already young say no, this is the right time. Shakwaya Sakwa fast for announcing the show. Yanko Kunton say Royal Albert, Sack Native, Rapperholic, this date. Mumra want to take it into my banasa. Ampa boom. Within 2 weeks, almost 5,000 plus. Now when you sold out, Unimadi Kuntia. Because now no. You're setting yourselves free. Say you ain't not control enya adwuma e ma obi ntena Ghana mom enkyere ye de yen face kanye na who discuss sending no Ghana ono de abo prema na wo tia na wo no sabi yen sori ahomache ne ekọ adwuma enti shattawale ba O2 na me to take it £50 e change there. And one good thing about events wa brochire almost 80 to 85% omu blessings any omu connections ni omu nya free event so me call Paris for event bi see na me call ya me committee me university guy bi me senior bi see I'm senior go ha event na be connect o enipa be bromu wari ye nyina ye event omu call ye no mu koshi omu dof on tia say event no a blessing enti now no me ma me kasa anye tenten Ghana for ye wa kwantum no ya set yourselves free enye obi na etra ba bi atress ye nko obi event sa de ne twam see enti no now no oye onyoma ye kakra bia na ufri Ghana eba kwantum se ubeye show a odo na yenya no any supportive spirit na yenya no ye da nyankopon ase wi a yemfa ase da no e ma shattawale
Royal ko enti wa boy enkomo